You know how it is. You meet a new customer or business partner and quickly save their contact details in your smartphone. Practical, but too risky in terms of data protection. Why? Because that data can easily flow to third-party apps such as WhatsApp and Google, or get unintentionally synced to rental cars and car shares where anyone can access it. Now there's a way to avoid this with the Secure Contacts app from Provectus, a unique app that combines privacy and usability. It brings together all your company contacts, whether from Outlook, Microsoft Teams, CRM systems like Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics, or your company's address book. No tedious typing in of names and numbers, no transferring contacts from multiple sources. Secure Contacts also prevents syncing with other apps. Absolutely secure, absolutely data protection compliant, and practical, convenient management of your contacts all in one place. Secure Contacts from Provectus has plenty of advantages for your company and also for you. Caller ID for all business contacts, including from CRM systems. Use of Microsoft Teams with a handy display of your status. Automatic merging of duplicates. An out-of-office function that puts through calls from favorite contacts only. Data protection and usability together with Provectus. Tomorrow's technologies today.